Hello friends, so today we are making veg momos with wheat. So let's get started. We have some chopped capsicum, we have some chopped broccoli, we have some chopped carrots and some cabbage. So these are the vegetables which I had in store. You can use some more, like you have beans or you have mushrooms, you have paneer. So you can just recreate your stuffing. Now we go to the masalas. We have turmeric, we have pepper powder, you can also use chili powder, and some salt, some soya sauce and some tomato sauce. I'll be adding some more ingredients while I'm making the stuffing. So here we are. I have just put some oil and I have put all the ingredients which I have shown you before, all the veggies in the kadhai, and I put a little bit of soya sauce. You can also use vinegar, white vinegar, for that tangy taste, and I have used a little bit of ginger garlic paste. Now I'm going to put little turmeric. So turmeric is just part of the health benefit. You can avoid it if you don't like the color. This is a little bit of pepper and some salt to taste. Okay, you give it a good mix. You can see there is a lot of greens. You can see capsicum, broccoli and cabbage and a little bit of carrot. It smells really good. Alright, so we'll just leave it to get soft so that our stuffing is perfectly cooked. So here I am making some momo sauce. For that I have taken 3 red tomatoes and 1 onion, 1 big onion. I have put it to boil. You can also put dried red chilies. So I have not put like that. I have just put the red chili powder and some salt. Now I am going to grind it into a smooth paste to start making the sauce. And here is the dough for making momos. Meanwhile, just while my stuffing is cooking and while I have to make the sauce, I just put the dough in place because it has to rest and get the moisture intact. So this is a simple wheat dough which has some wheat flour, water and just salt. That's just chapati dough which you usually make. So here I put some oil and chopped garlics in it. I'm just giving it a little roast so that the garlic leaves its flavor. You don't have to burn it. You saute it for some time. I put very little oil, just that it can stick to the kadhai and the garlic. You can't see oil floating. Alright. Yes, it's getting a little smooth here. So now I'll add the onions, chopped onions. The onions has to get a little soft, a little golden color. So I'll let it rest in some steam. I'll just put the lid and let it rest in some steam. You can also put some salt so that it cooks sooner. Alright. Okay. So my garlic and onion has turned brown. So I put this puree which I've showed you earlier. I just grinded it and put this puree. I have simmered the flame. I can just, alright. I'll add a little bit of salt. Again, some pepper. I personally like pepper. You can also put red chili powder. Okay, give it a good mix. You can see some water here. So it has to come to boil. Alright. Later we'll put some soya sauce and some tomato sauce. But I have to bring it to boil. So I'll just leave it like this and make my momos. So this is the size of the dough which I have taken and turned it into a small roti. Alright, now I will put the stuffing here. So just lift it like this. That's my little one, if you can hear her. Alright, so this is one shape which we have made. So this is one pattern which I have made. Now I'm going to make the other one. Similar dough you have taken, just put the stuffing. This is it is small. Just wet your fingers. Just like this. Alright. Right, so my momos are ready to go for steaming. I'm just using the idli vessel to steam it up. So you can see I have two different type of shapes which I've created. Now I'm just gonna cover it. Alright, and it's covered and we will leave it to steam. We can meanwhile keep checking. Let's see other sauce. Yes, this is cooked. The oil has soaked into the mixture. I'll put a little bit of soya sauce and tomato sauce and we'll be done. Alright, so I have added the soya sauce and tomato sauce. I can see the color, it's becoming thick as well. I have added a little bit of oil too. Alright, so this is ready. I'll just cook it in simmer for say 3 to 4 minutes and then it'll be ready to serve. So here is it. Our wheat veg momos is ready. Yay! Wheat veg momos. So my little one is ready to hop on. Gobble gobble, yum yum. Yes, take it, Cuckoo. She's thinking which way to start. So one small thing, I have used. Yes, happy to you. I have used less of chili, so you can use chili powder and a little bit of ginger garlic paste for the sauce too. Since my little one is enjoying it, I have made it less spicy. Oh, nice. How is it, Cuckoo? Yummy? She's just relishing it. Okay, see you. Bye. Until we meet again.